tunga kwata lomonto so district alona park na kapiripirit amudata kida moroto kesda pote tuko inosi na bila tuk aparand Canada iuniet kanuda puchonor. Otomana subana kano lo iwara kesda pote leputi Ikiroria iluda itunga luero ng'opongo potoso kitu ikeda imudun ido ichaneti itunga.
Icho kontiyan loko kukachodokia morok na nataparengan. Loko kalkedia John na nakudek.
Apone da ichora kina itunga nguna bong noria tipete noi kai nyakari muduno lum eronga pakina da itimejai.
I've decided to introduce a new approach of exposing the known criminals. We have a list of criminals that we gathered from by intelligence and from the communities. So today we decided to read the names to the public so that they are known by everyone. And we hope it is going to yield results.
Aradigang to sichao mishoiti na mami chioto manengare no koyala masim anude Ebeliar Ikiroria ikokola kakalu.
It's good to know the persons and even identify them in public, because that alone will make them fear to even to commit that kind of crime next time, because they know they will be exposed. They will have that shame of not wanting to repeat again. That name and shame, I think, is better, instead of having to blame the whole community or very many people for a crime committed by one person.
It was too early for us to name and shame. I thought it was too early, but it has happened. Now we are supposed to follow up. Because at the end of the day, some people are going to stigmatize other people, even when we think that some of the lists that have been mentioned here may not be true, they are just suspected. Others may be true. So when these other ones have been stigmatized, we embolden those ones who have the guns. Today we saw one of the boys, when his name was read, he raised and he said, I retired mine in the morning. Indeed, in the morning we received the gun because of confidence building. Now, I think today we have broken the trust. I don't know what we are going to do. We shall find a way of mending again that we trust. Their names were kept as confidential. I also did not know the list will leak. They has now come to the public. Let us give it a chance.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East na bila tuk.